Let's talk about colors. So I just want to tell you, we're going to do bold eyeliners today. If you're here, let me know. Send me a heart. Let me know you're here. If you're a newbie, let me know that too. And where you're watching from. Why not? Bold eyeliners for everybody's eyes. We're going to cover it. We're going to do two different eyes, so you'll see. But I also wanted to show you what I've got going on my face. I am wearing Sunset blush and champagne eyeshadow, and what else is the third one? Oh, nutmeg lipstick. So that's sort of what's happening with the face. Just some neutral warm colors to go with our pop bold eyeliner colors. This is going to be really fun and I think really helpful. And these I'm using bold colors for a couple of reasons. One, to say you can still have fun with color. And two, to really highlight how you can do eyeliners, because you can do this with neutrals as well. So no big deal either way, right? But I thought these looked really fun together as well, these colors. Okay, so any questions, let me know about eyeliners. What is it? I know hooded eyes, that always comes up, because with hooded eyes, it's hard to do any kind of liner, because it just disappears when you open your eyes. But we're gonna play with some little cat eyes, wing liners, but really simple. It's gonna be really simple. So I think we'll just get started. Hello, beautiful. I am Lisa D. Ligori with Simple Beauty Minerals, clean, effective, natural beauty, and a smaller, more personal, clean beauty brand. And thanks, Patsy, for the thumbs up. So let's get started. So we're gonna do some bold eyeliner looks today. And I'm gonna do two different looks, one on each eye, and I'm gonna show you a trick on how to guide the look. So if you have an unsteady hand, that can be tricky, I know. You'll be able to guide. I have a guiding trick you're gonna love. But I think I'm just gonna start it. So I'm gonna do this eye first, and I'm gonna use a bright blue called Blast in Blue. And I'm using this color because I want to show you that you can still play with color. I want to show you that you can make this color crazy bold, and you can also make it very light and muted, and it's beautiful with some neutral browns or grays. So that would be Blast in Blue. I'm going to do this eye, and I'm going to do a non-hooded eye look on this eye. We're going to do the hooded eye on the other eye. So save the best for last. All right, so let's get started. So first thing you're going to do, where is it? You're going to use, this is the trick, skin tape. So the kind of tape that you can get like for bandages, where it just peels off and it doesn't hurt your skin. So if I can find the edge, I'm going to peel off a bit, and I'm going to use it as a guide. And that way, when we're done, we just peel it off, and voila, we have the perfect liner. Okay, this is probably, I should have had this pre-done, right? Probably the hardest part of the whole tutorial is opening the tape. Okay, do you have a problem at home with packing tape? Someone forgets to like tuck it on the edge under, and then you can never get the packing tape open again without shredding it. All right, so we've got some skin tape, and you're going to line it, let's see, horizontal, like right here, okay? Going up under the lower line, so under the lower lash line, you're gonna start there, and then you're gonna go like that, diagonal, I should say, okay? And that will just easily peel right off. So then here's where we're gonna get started. So now I'm going to take the new fine lining brush, and I'm gonna dip it into Blast in Blue. And I'm gonna show you how to use it wet and dry as well. And now, and I'm hoping that you can see me, so we've got a new setup. I'm gonna work it into, let's start over. I'm gonna start thin, and I'm gonna go wider as I go across, okay? It makes the eyes look bigger. I'm gonna first work it into the root of the lashes. Now, you can also use a darker neutral, a brown, a deeper gray, even a black as your base, and then add your color on top, or without color, but I'm gonna go ahead and just use the Blast in Blue. So I'm going to work it in to the base of my lashes. I am not going to pull my eye out like that. Don't do that, because the more you fuss with the skin around your eyes, it's very fragile, very thin. The cumulative effect of causing more lines and wrinkles is there. So just look straight ahead, okay? And look down a little, but don't pull the eyes, okay? So I'm gonna work it into the base of the lashes. And now I'm gonna use this as a guideline. Now I'm gonna wet this brush. I have a little bowl of water right here. I'm just gonna dip it in. I'm not gonna get it soaking wet, just a dip. Now I'm gonna put it into the lid of Blast in Blue. Okay, now I'm gonna get more intensity of color. And now I'm gonna use the guide. And now I'm gonna start going thicker. Now I'm gonna use a different brush because I want it to go thicker, because this is the look for a non-hooded eye. Because with this look, once you open your eye, if you have hooded eyes, the line's gonna disappear. So I'm gonna dip this. This is the crease and smudge brush into the water. Let me know if you have questions. Let me know if you can't see as well or if it's working out fine. So now I've got Blast in Blue on the tip of the crease brush. And now I'm gonna go thicker as I go out towards the corner of the eye. I'm gonna build it up. Now, all I've got on my eye right now is a bit of champagne eyeshadow, a warm, pale shimmer. And the reason I did that is because I want to highlight the bold and the liner so that you really get a visual for that. And it is one look you can achieve with this. You can also use more of a neutral or darker color. Okay. Now I could even go thicker. Let's just do it. Why not, right? Okay. Tapping the brush so the pigments nestle into the brush instead of falling. And this is wet, so this is giving it more intensity of color. If I wanted a lighter look, I would not wet the brush. Now, let me make sure I've gotten everything. Oh, look directly into the mirror. Don't close your eyes because then you can't see. Don't pull the eye. I want to make sure I got everything. You've worked it into the root of the lashes. Okay, and now, let's see if I don't pull my hair with it. There we go. The perfect line. Now this is for a non-hooded eye. I'm going to show you on the other eye with a different color, the hooded eye. All right, but do you see how easy that was to make the perfect wing and make it sort of dramatic? You could even go thicker depending on what you're looking for. You can also use a neutral. So now I'm going to go over to this eye. Let's see, I probably could use that same piece of tape. Of course, I wasn't smart enough. Nope, can't use it because I folded it up already. So now I'm going to go over to this eye and I'm going to show you how to do this look for a hooded eye. We are going to fake it. Much like when we're, I can't find the beginning of the tape, much like when we are creating the crease color on a hooded eye, we're faking it, we're going up higher, we're going to fake it again. See, we just cheat around the corners, right? Okay, I'm getting the tape. All right, I got some more tape. So a hooded eye is when you open your eye and your eyelid doesn't show because either by heredity or by age, this part of the eye falls down over this movable part of the eye. And when you open your eyes, the lid of your eye is gone, right? Okay, so we are going to do this again, up this direction. Okay, again, this is great if you have unsteady hands. You put it in an angle diagonal to the lower lash line. All right, so we are going to create thicker, fuller lash line, again, by going right into the root of the lash line. Same exact way. We're gonna do the first step. We're gonna do the exact same first step. Now this time I'm gonna try a different brush. You could use either one. If you have both of these at home, play with them, see what you like. Or if you have one of them, one or the other, you can use either one. Now I'm gonna use the fine angled brush. I'm done with Blast in Blue for the moment. I do think that's a really fun, I just think it's fun. Jeans and a t-shirt or something more elegant. You could do a nude lip like I have, or you could do a bold red lip and then slick your hair back. I mean, so many fun varieties to do with this look. I am going to use Emerald, which is, let's see, this one right there, Emerald Green, and I'm going to do the eyeliner for the hooded eye over here. Okay, cheat sheet note. Okay. we're gonna focus on the outer corner, and we are only gonna line 1/2 to 1/3 of the eyelid. That's going to open up the eye more. So I'm gonna wet my brush, okay? And then I'm gonna take some emerald into the lid, blend that around, tap off any excess, and now I'm going to work it into the base of my lashes. Again, I could take a darker neutral, a gray, a brown, a black, and work that into my lashes. There we go. Starting at 1/2 to 1/3 of the way in, not all the way in. We don't want to close the eyes. I'm gonna pick up more color. Let me know if you have any questions. If you're watching, let me know. And if you're here later on a replay, please give me a #replay. All right, I'm gonna close the eye a little, but still looking straight ahead, and work it in to the base of the lashes. And now I'm gonna make my way over to that tape and use that as a guide for the line. Okay. And then I'm going to work my way back and fill in to meet the line over by my eye. I can go out as far as I want. I'm gonna pick up more color. And this is going to show what we're going to do for the hooded eye is elongate the line. We're gonna bring it out more so that it shows, right? Elongating the wing so it can be seen when your eyes are open. It creates a more dramatic effect, all right? Now, I'm gonna keep going, and I could go a little thicker, just depends on what I'm looking for. Okay, are we ready for the unveiling? Whoops, okay, it's wet. I shouldn't make too many facial motions because it's still wet. Just waiting for it to dry, almost dry, and let's do it. And look at that. Took off some of my concealer. Then I would just take a dab and touch up the makeup underneath that the tape might have removed, but it didn't remove too much. So I could go thicker, I could even go longer, but that's how you do a winged liner for a hooded eye. La la la. So I have a question, and let's see. Helena, hi Helena. Helena says she missed the first half, and you may have said it, but when placing the tape, it looks like you went lower lashes to end of eyebrow. Is that the general guide for eyeliner shape? Yes. So you want to use your lower lid as, so you can actually play with this. Okay, play with the placement. You could go straight out. See what I did, or you could even go a little more of an angle. But you want to just play, and you know, it's all up to you. There is no true guide. Makeup is fun, just play with it. Don't get caught up in too many rules, just play. This looks fine. I could have gone higher, okay? I wouldn't go lower because, well, here's one of those little rules. Because if you go low, you don't want a droopy eye. You want it to lift up. So this or up higher would have been fine. Did that answer your question, Helena? If not, we can talk about it in the VIP group and have more discussion, and we'll do a deeper dive training in there as well. And if you're not in the VIP group, I'll put the link up above. You could answer 3 quick questions and we'll bring you in. All right, so it's as simple as that. I'm trying to think if I missed anything. Again, you could do more of an eyeshadow look with this, or you could go sort of a neutral and use the liner as your boldness. There are so many colors that we offer in Simple Beauty Minerals with the eyeliners. You could go purple, teal, burgundy, plum. I mean, so many options. So play with that and let me know what you think. I would love to see photos of your work. Share them with us over in the VIP group or on the Simple Beauty Minerals page. That's fallen on the floor. And thank you for being here. I really appreciate your time. And if you're on Facebook, make sure to follow and like and get notifications on the Simple Beauty Minerals page so you get our tutorials going forward. Hey, thanks. Let me know what other questions you have. Give us a #replay, and I'll see you soon.